What's up, you guys? Thank you for joining. If you're just coming in, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the purpose of me going live. I'm actually gonna do two demonstrations. You may see that I don't have my blades on either one of my clippers. So we got the Ergos, and we also have the Gamma Evos. So yeah, so which one y'all want me to do first? Y'all want me to do the Fastfeed Ergo kit, mod kit, or the Evo GTX Mod Kit? The way you want to do it, this is your base, okay? So you have these two middle screws, and that's going to screw right in here. And you have these two wide hole screws, and those are going to be pointing down. If you look on the bottom of this, you see all these deep holes. These deep holes is to cover these ferrules. So basically all you're doing is putting the base on like this, and you want to make sure that the holes pointed down. Some people have the bracket upside down. I mean, they have these holes towards the top, and you can see, this is slanted right here, and that's to account for the cutter blade on this GTX blade. So basically, what I do is, you don't want to like always rely on the screws. You kind of want to force the power down. Basically all I'm gonna do with a flathead screwdriver is I'm gonna work my way down. You want to work it down evenly, just the same way you change a tire or something like that. If you ever change a tire, you don't put one lug on at the same time. So go ahead and work that. So we got that. So that's nice and flush. No gaps. I'm gonna put this to the side. What's up, Tank? If y'all on YouTube, y'all like to watch YouTube videos, make sure y'all subscribe to Tank Be Chopping. He have awesome production. He got a YouTube channel, so make sure y'all check him out, by the way. So secondly, this is the cam, okay? And this is your blade. So what we're doing is we're gonna stick this cam inside of that, just like that. And I did have to apply a little pressure, because I want that nice and snug. Some people have had issues, not a lot. We actually just ordered a new machine, cost grip, broke the bank, but we making those kind of investments for you guys. And so after that, I can switch my screwdriver around. So after that, and this is the main point I want you guys to focus on. Okay, so you got two things. You got these two tension springs, and it's obvious these two grooves, that's the purpose of them grooves, to lock them tension springs in. And you also have the motor itself, the shaft of the motor, and this is the account for these towers. And so all we're doing is sticking it in just like that, lining up properly. You can see it matches the hole, but this is where a lot of you guys make mistakes at. Go ahead and show you right quick. So I'm gonna just tighten this down a little bit. Tighten it down very little. Okay, so this is the mistake. So you guys, you see how much play you have in this? All right, this up and down. If you guys know anything about the GTX blade on the corded T-outliners, you know what I'm saying? If you guys appreciate that, Tank. If you know anything about the corded T-outliners, you know that it's hard to find tension. When I developed this, I wanted everybody to have a universal set. So basically, you see my thumb is, I'm pushing up on this blade. See, I'm pushing forward, all the way forward. And the reason is because I want to set that tension at the top of my cam. I want to, so, and then it's like, this blade is back far enough, so you don't want to just set it in the middle. You want to push it all the way forward. And you can see that this tension is going to line up at the tip of this cam. If your tension screws or tension bars are sticking out, that means you have the blade too far down. So that's what I mean. And you don't need to put a lot of pressure on this, as long as it's flush. With this material, we do have a new material coming in, carbon fiber. We'll be able to print those out Monday, and those will be very durable. But like I said, we had to get our bread right, And these things, like I said, man, these are monsters, man, like monsters. Yeah, but that's the Evo. Now I know you guys are really here for the ergo because a lot of you guys have my kits already. And one thing I was supposed to do, which I didn't, I was supposed to actually take my base off. And I apologize for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And you guys, this is the same concept as my trimmers. The same exact concept as my trimmers. And this is, your kit is gonna come with your base. It's gonna come with these 2 screws already inserted in the base. It's gonna come with a cam follower that me and my partner Darren Cook created. And also a coarse cutter blade. And as you can see, they have hair on them. I've been using these things all day. And I'm gonna go ahead and look, I wanna give Gamma a shout out because, look, I have both. These right here, with these have become my favorite clippers, like of all time. Like, so in the shop today, that's all I use. I only use these and these with the kits. That's it. I don't want no other clippers on my station. See, but basically, okay, I know what y'all here for. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert my cam inside, and as you can see, cam is pretty basic. All right, so I got this lug nut right here, I got these slots right here, and I got this bar on this cam. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. Just like that. And you see these grooves right here. Okay, you want to slide this on top of that and that nut inside of that hole, just like that, and it snaps in. Pretty snug fit, just like that. As far as my base, we're doing it backwards now because you know, it's not, unlike these 2 middle holes for the Fastfeed top blade go down. So, and it's, the way you could tell is we have a slant. The slant is the count for the cutter blade. So basically what we're gonna do, and it's gonna come with a Allen wrench. It's gonna come with this Allen wrench. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to use this for demonstration purposes. And basically it's same principle. You finding your hole, you know, you're screwing it down. You wanna walk it down evenly. You know what I'm saying? These screws gonna already be inside of this for you. You know, we're gonna walk it down. Just like that. That's my refrigerator made that noise, by the way. That wasn't my kit popping. This is a very strong material, and our material is getting stronger Monday once we get that beast of a machine in. Just like that. So I want to ask you guys, what clipper do you think I should do this on next? I'm actually eyeing the Babeless. I just got those in, the Babeless clippers, and I know you guys probably have those as well. And I think we're gonna go ahead and get that finished. We're gonna go ahead and get that finished sometime this week. Right, Darren? What's up, Campo? Yeah, Campo Go. Y'all make sure y'all check out that podcast on Run Barber Show. I have 2 holes in my cam, okay? These holes are for this, right here. That's what these holes for right here. And basically you're gonna put these holes, just like any kind of cam follower, you will put that inside the hole, just like that. Excuse the hair, y'all. I'm sorry about that. I apologize. I'm supposed to do this first. Torque right there. Yeah, so that's my cam follower. And guys, you do not have to go out and buy this blade. I just like the black because, you know, aesthetic reasons. But you could use a Fastfeed top. This is a Fastfeed blade, it's just a different kind. But you can use the Topaz, all that good stuff. It doesn't have to be these. And basically, you know, you're just gonna put your blade on, line it up with the holes. And I had these screws, like, okay, we had to special make everything. That's what's been the, you know, the hold up. But finally we got it, you know, everything nice and figured out. But yeah, we got some nice machines that we get to make our own stuff with. So just like any other blade, you know, and you can see it's holding it down one blade. So for all my heavy-handed people, you know, yeah. But I'm tripping. Yeah, so, and before I tighten it down all the way, of course, it's like what you wanna do, close your lever. A good thing about these, you guys, I got it to the point where you could zero gap it. You could zero gap it, just like that. Put a little tension on. Don't always rely on the screws. Use common sense. And you don't have to make these super tight, you guys. I dropped these clippers twice already, and you know the base stayed on contact. You know, and just do it. You know, you don't have to like use your force and force these things tight. You know what I'm saying? Just give it a nice little tightening. You know, the material is not aluminum, so you don't have to over tighten it. It's going to hold just because the type of material is going to grab. These screws are meant to grab this type of material. You know what I'm saying? You guys, and I'm not saying it's a lot of people, you know, and that's it. These things are mad quiet. I mean, these things are mad quiet. And I love them. Like, I love, you know, and shout out to Gamma. Shout out to Gamma. Gamma been doing their thing, man. 2021, it's Gamma, yeah. And I'm an open contractor. Like, I don't have any ties with any clipper company, but Gamma been doing their thing this year. Like I said, you got click level on these, and people want to know the range. So the range, I would say, is anywhere from, so you know you got the original Fastfeeds, which had like opened up to a full one, and walls is, you know, walls don't have that much range, and these are a little bit more than walls and a little less than the original Fastfeeds. They're not loud at all. Of course, you know that the phone make it much louder. Let me turn these around. Yeah, so these are some beauties, you guys. Like real talk, these are some beauties. Don't sleep. Please don't sleep. I gotta get a what's for these. No way, super happy for you, brother. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Campo said he's sending me 2 clippers, y'all. I don't know what I did to deserve that, but I appreciate it. Looking forward to that. And you guys, y'all don't understand the ergonomics of this with this blade. These have perfect ergonomics, but these have even more perfect. I didn't know you could get more perfect than perfect, but these have some perfect ergonomics. Like, you see what this flat, like this flush blade, like, yeah, oh my God. Black fast feed blade. Yeah. And I should have put these on this, man. These would turn these to some killers. I'm gonna probably spray paint this. Look at my brother Fit Nick. Look, my brother Fit Nick got on Phase and Fitness. That's my brother here, barber, y'all, and a fitness trainer. He got Phase and Fitness gym coming up soon, and I think I'm gonna try to help him open that. Some say the Ergo and the 50 cal are close to the same. Have you any thoughts? I love the Ergo. I think it should fit. So if you have those clippers, just, I guess, I mean, I don't want to just tell you order it, then it don't fit. You know, I don't know for sure, but no, I'm sure it does. But it's other reasons why I push these over those, because I know the components that's inside of it. You know, these are upgraded. You know, so yeah, Stylecraft, you know, Austin, them dudes, they making a good move. And Campo gave it his own signature. So Campo co-signed on it. I definitely got to co-sign on it. You know, and that's real. ECM certified. You looking at an ECM certified set. Everything has ECM certified. Even though I don't have anything ECM on here, I still would get these the ECM certified sticker. Real talk. My boy said he had a brainstorm. Sounds, yeah, big time. But yeah, man, thank you guys for tuning in. This is all the time I have. You know, reach out to me if you have any questions.